Little Rock Daycare accidents. Daycare facilities are supposed to keep children safe, but accidents in Little Rock often result from negligence when providers fail to maintain safe environments or properly supervise children. Licensed child care centers in Arkansas must follow statewide rules set by the Office of Early Childhood, yet falls from playground equipment, choking on small objects, and injuries from fights between unsupervised children remain common. Children can suffer head injuries, traumatic brain injuries, broken bones, burns, cuts, choking, allergic reactions, internal injuries, and in severe cases shaken baby syndrome or wrongful death when daycares breach their duty of care. Unexplained bruises or marks, sudden behavioral changes like anxiety or fear, regression in milestones, frequent hunger or dehydration, understaffing, unsafe conditions, and poor communication are warning signs of possible negligence. Arkansas law sets minimum staff-to-child ratios, such as 1 staff member for every 5 children under 18 months and increasing ratios as children age, and requires background checks, maltreatment reporting procedures, CPR and first aid training, safety inspections, and liability insurance for licensed centers. Violations of these licensing rules, including understaffing or failing to conduct background checks, can serve as powerful evidence of negligence when a child is injured. To prove negligence, families must show that the daycare owed a duty of care, breached that duty, caused the injury, and that damages resulted, which is why documenting injuries and preserving evidence is essential. Compensation may cover medical expenses, future care, pain and suffering, emotional distress, and loss of quality of life, and Arkansas's comparative fault rules rarely affect claims involving young children. Parents have 3 years to file a negligence lawsuit, but the statute of limitations is paused for minors until 3 years after the child turns 18, so acting promptly helps preserve evidence like surveillance footage and witness memories. Liability waivers in daycare enrollment forms typically do not prevent parents from pursuing claims because Arkansas law imposes a non-delegable duty on facilities to provide reasonable care. If your child is injured, seek medical attention immediately, report the incident to the facility and obtain a written report. Document injuries with photos and save all medical bills. File a complaint with the Division of Child Care and Early Childhood Education if licensing standards were violated, and contact a qualified lawyer to investigate and protect your child's rights. Hiring an attorney can help you navigate complex state regulations, gather medical and facility records, preserve surveillance footage, handle communication with the daycare's insurer, file the claim within the statute of limitations, and represent you at trial if necessary. Daycare injury cases involve complex regulations and insurance tactics, and having a lawyer ensures critical evidence is preserved and that your family pursues the full compensation the law allows. A seasoned attorney understands Arkansas daycare licensing rules, staff ratio requirements, and comparative fault statutes, and can evaluate waivers, enrollment documents, and facility records to build a strong case. Religiously affiliated facilities may receive licensing exemptions, but they still owe a legal duty of reasonable care, so parents may pursue a negligence claim when a child is injured. Gates Law Firm and its attorney Joseph Gates have earned recognition from professional associations and have a reputation for holding wrongdoers accountable and helping injured families throughout Arkansas recover damages. Waiting to pursue a claim is risky because evidence can be lost and insurers may dispute delayed claims. Gates Law Firm handles daycare injury cases on a contingency fee basis, meaning you pay nothing unless compensation is recovered. If your child suffered an injury due to inadequate supervision, unsafe equipment, or other negligence at a daycare in Little Rock, you should consult a knowledgeable lawyer to understand your options and demand accountability. Contact Gates Law Firm today to speak with a dedicated attorney about your child's daycare injury and learn how the law applies to your situation. Our law firm's office is located at 2725 Cantrell Road, ST 200, Little Rock, Arkansas, 72202, United States, and you can reach us at 501-779-8091 for a free consultation.